You don't need to be bringing multiple chargers with you anymore on your daily life, commute, whatever it is, or in your travels, like you're going on an airplane or going on a cruise, because this 3-in-1 from EcoFlow, this is pretty much all you're going to need. Now, I'm not going to give you the full spec review or anything on this because I've already done that before. What I want to do is give you my sort of real life situation with it, like how I've been using it and how it's been working, because that's the main thing you guys need to know. So you pretty much have two buttons on the side. You press that, you're going to get your percentage here, how much the battery the power bank has. Go to the next one, you'll be able to tell the temperature, how many cycles it's done. And you come in here and you can actually switch these two USB ports, one being an in and out, which I don't understand why, but I keep it on both. Now it comes with a sort of built-in cable. So this is a small little cable you can use with any one of these USB-C ports. And I think it's convenient to have the cable with you because that is one thing that some people just don't want to carry around, extra cable. And you can use it as a lanyard, as you can see here. Now, what makes this better than most power banks is you don't have to have a separate cord or brick or anything to keep it charged. All you do is pull out these two little prongs here, and this is what makes it into a brick charger, which makes it perfect for airline flights and cruises and things like that, because you only have one set of prongs, still works as a power bank, and you have your two ports here on the side. So this is perfect. You can plug it right in. And like I said, it charges pretty fast when you plug it in here. When you plug a cord in here, whether it's 100 watt or 240 watts, it'll charge at about 45 watts. This will do about 30, 35 watts, but it still charges it pretty fast. And you can keep this thing plugged in while you have another device plugged in here, and you can be charging them both. Now here's the thing I want to tell you about for my use of this. If this battery is down low, let's say about 60, 70%, and your phone is down even lower, let's say 20, 30%, this, with the prongs plugged in, is going to charge your phone first. Once it starts charging it and gets it up to about 90 or so percent, then it'll start charging the power bank as well. And then you can basically unplug your phone, leave this plugged in, and it'll finish charging this up to 100%. So you'll always have a fully charged power bank to take with you everywhere to go. Because it has the built-in prongs, you don't have to carry a separate block with you. Now this little cord here has this sort of neat little twist here. It has like a dark circle and a light circle. And then you simply twist that. You can pull these out like this. And then this is short, pretty much so if you're sitting at like a table or whatever, you can have your device plugged in. You can plug in AirPods, you can plug in your Apple Watch, whatever it is. And it's pretty neat to have a short little USB-C cable. You can bring another cable if you want, but the whole idea about this is that would defeat the purpose. Then pretty much you just put the two ends together like this, and it will slip right in here. And when you slip it in, you have those, like I said, the two little dots. You just simply turn it to the dark dot like this, and it becomes a lanyard again. And that's it. It's very simple. Always stays with you. So you don't need to be carrying other blocks, other cords and things with you. You want something simple for your cruise, your travel, your daily life. EcoFlow has it. Anchor also has one as well. I like them both. I use them all for travel as well. But this one I think is very good because you've got the 67, you got a 10,000 mAh here, and you got 67 watts that come out of these here. And so you've got a lot more power and a lot more stuff. The Anchor one's about a 9600 with about a 65 watts, which is pretty close. But like I said, they both work great. So you're all-in-one charger. This is what you need for daily life and travel. Got questions on that? Let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure you follow me here, and I will catch you later with more videos.